I just replaced my iPhone 6s battery. This is from circa 2015, maybe 2017. I don't know because this is a 32 gigabyte model. But if you don't want to waste money on a new phone, this is a slightly newer iPhone XR, which costs a few $100s, and the new iPhone 11, soon to be iPhone 12, will probably cost $700 to $1,000. I use technology a lot, and well, I really don't see the advantage in buying new technology since this iPhone 6s from 2015 can do 90% of what I want it to do. Search the internet. Also does text messages. Takes perfectly decent photos and video. And once I added this aftermarket battery, you can get any aftermarket battery, it doesn't really matter. This cost me $16 and then I replaced it myself. Apple replaced your battery for $40. I'm not sure if they charge tax, but the nice thing about aftermarket batteries is you can get one with a high capacity. This was originally 1700 milliamp. I increased it to 2300. Verified it was 2300, but still you can improve your performance 20 to 30% with that battery. And I tested alongside this iPhone XR, and it's pretty decent battery. It's not as good as an XR, but now it's a lot better than it was even before when I got this phone new. Actually, I didn't get this new, I got this used. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money these days, you can definitely buy old used phones and just somehow replace the battery. And then they become newer phones, sort of. So that's it.